I have a problem from geometrical optics, was asked in the examination NEET 2021. Here a prism is given in the diagram and the problem reads that find the value of the angle of emergence from the prism. Refractive index of the glass is √3. Let's first draw the diagram. Here is a right angle prism. This angle is given by 60 degree and this angle is 90 degree. Now a normal incident is given like this. This angle is equal to 90 degree, and as we all know that due to normal incidence light would not get deviated when refracting from one medium to another medium. So there will be no deviation and the light comes to the second surface. Now from the second surface I am drawing a perpendicular and this is my angle of incidence in the second surface. This angle is similar angle to this, so this angle is equal to 60 degree. So this angle must be equal to 30 degree because this angle is 90 degree, and sum of three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now as this medium is denser and this medium is rarer, so the light would get deviated away from the normal. So the light would get deviated like this, and this is my angle of emergence. Now according to Snell's law I can write that sin 30 degree divided by sin r is equal to refractive index of this medium, which is equal to 1, divided by refractive index of this medium, which is equal to √3. So sin r is equal to √3 sin 30 degree, and we know that value of sin 30 is equal to half. So sin r is equal to √3/2 is equal to sin 60 degree, as we know that sin 60 is equal to √3. So r is equal to 60 degree. So the angle of emergence is equal to 60 degree. That's my answer. Hope you understand the problem. Thanks for watching.